You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Planning an international move? Then you already know it's more than just packing boxes. It's preparing a complete life reset in a new country. Hi, I'm Laura Lee from SDC International Shipping, and today we're going to walk through the most important steps you need to take to prepare for an international move the right way. Let's break it down into simple, stress-reduced phases so you can feel confident and in control every step of the way. Step 1. Start early. Seriously, early. Don't underestimate how long this takes. Between visas, documentation, housing arrangements, and scheduling your shipment, the ideal timeline is to start planning 3 to 6 months in advance. Early prep gives you more choices and better rates. You don't want to be rushed around a month before your departure. Step 2. Get your documents in order. You will need passports, visas, work residency permits, and school or medical records. These take time to gather and process. Keep both digital and physical copies and store them in a safe, easily accessible place. Step 3. Decide what to ship versus store. Shipping volume is calculated by space, not weight. So that old couch or giant treadmill, maybe it's time to donate or sell. And here's a tip. SDC offers storage options in the US if you're not ready to send everything at once, which is great for temporary or phased relocations. Step 4. Let the pros handle the packing. International packing isn't like a weekend move. Improperly packed items can be rejected by insurance or even flagged at customs. Our teams use globally approved materials and document everything for custom and coverage. Step 5. Don't skip insurance and custom prep. Imagine your shipment is delayed or damaged and you skipped the insurance. That's a nightmare. At SDC, we help you get custom tailored marine insurance, a compliant inventory, help with custom paperwork, country by country. Moving abroad is exciting, but only when it's well planned. At SDC International Shipping, we help you go from overwhelmed to organized, from day one to delivery. Need help preparing? We are just a call or click away. Request your international moving quote today. Visit our website or give us a call. Move smart. Move with SDC.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.